Hey guys, welcome back to another episode here at Full Throttle. Thank you very much for tuning in on today's episode. Today is a very special episode and it is sponsored by the CIEVE company. And today we are going to be doing a full unboxing and overview of the brand new dual dash cam, and that is specifically the D100 model. I will leave a product link down in the description below where you can purchase this product if you are interested and enjoyed today's episode. Like I said, this thing is fully sealed up, so we're going to be diving in and checking it out for the very first time here as well. But very special offer for you guys, just for all of my subscribers. Check out the discount coupon code down below for 22% off your purchase of this exact D100 dash cam setup. 22% off, and the code is Full Throttle. So initially, this is what you're going to be receiving right from Amazon, or if you purchase direct, this is the D100 Simple, Smart, Safe Driving. And then it kind of gives you some of the features kind of outlined above. We're going to dive into all of these, of course, but very briefly, 4K. This does have 5G Wi-Fi capabilities, 170-degree wide angle, dual 4K plus 1080p, enhanced night vision, and guys, this does also include a 64 gigabyte SD card. So very nice to see. So on the right hand side, once we remove that foam, looks like we're going to have our primary camera. Right, guys, as we open up here, we have the main front camera. So this is the 4K branding on the front, Ultra HD. We do have a microphone there. We do have our side input is USB-C, which is a very nice to see. AV in, and then of course we have our pre-installed 64 gigabyte SD card. So this is branded the CIEVE Pro 64 gigs. Very nice feature to see a proper SD card included. As we come along the back side of the main front camera, you're going to see we do have a 1.5-inch LCD display. We do also have an adhesive mounting bracket versus the classic suction cup. This is an adhesive mounting bracket you're going to install to the windshield itself, and then you still have the capability of removing the camera as necessary, which I honestly am very impressed to see. Now, honestly guys, initial impression with the mounting, everything is just plastic here. The camera is very lightweight, but honestly that doesn't bother me too much, guys. Of course, the real test is going to be getting this hooked up and doing some real world footage. On the side, we do have our main power button, and of course that also does have a locking feature. We're going to dive into that a little bit more. And of course we do have full rotation capabilities to be able to dial in the front dash cam, which is nice to see. Now we're going to dive in to see what is in the rest of the box. Overall packaging is very nice. A nice balance between economic and quality. So as we dive in, we do have our secondary camera. So this is a dual channel dash cam. So as we open this up, this is going to have the full wiring. That's your AV in. That's going to go to the side of the front camera. And then of course we do have all of our cabling, and then our rear camera. So this is 1080p camera. This has full 360-degree rotation. And of course we are going to be using the same adhesive mounting bracket versus a classic suction cup style. So very nice to see as well. I think the adhesive is going to be a much more reliable feature than the suction cups. As we continue to dive in, very nice feature, guys. They do include a trim removal tool. Honestly, guys, I've never seen another dash cam company include a tool like this. This is going to be crucial to use to be able to tuck all the wiring properly, remove those trim panels without causing any damage. As we continue into the box, we do have a user manual in multiple languages. Very nice to see, and this looks like it's a very in-depth as well. It kind of shows you the different routing, how to adjust the lens, the rear camera installation. So definitely not short on any information here, guys. It literally goes through everything. So very nice to see, and like I said, in multiple languages depending on where you're located or what language you prefer. There is still more inside here. So in here, guys, we have a few goodies as well. As we take a closer look, they have provided some wiring management clips. So you do have 5 little clips. They have adhesive backing, and this is just going to help you to tie and manage that wiring as you route it through the vehicle. So they also include 2 of these stickers. They're basically designed to secure the camera more stably. You're going to clean the area of the windshield where you plan to attach it. Apply these electrostatic stickers to the clean area, and then you're going to actually secure the camera on top. So it's very interesting. I've never seen anybody actually do something like that, so that's going to be very interesting to test out and do. Now, one nice feature is they also include some extra backing adhesives for the dash cam. That way, if you do end up installing it into a different vehicle, you don't have to go out and purchase any additional adhesive. It does come with 2 additional backing. Now, as we continue on, that is everything else in the package. We are on to our final piece inside the packaging, and that is, of course, going to be our power supply. So this is going to be our USB-C into the camera. And then, of course, we have our standard 12-volt cigarette style plug that's going to go into your vehicle. And of course, it does have an external USB to just help give you the ability to charge phones or anything else that you might want to plug into a USB port. So very nice feature to see there. One thing is, if you're interested in any of the parking modes, you will have to purchase the hardwire kit separately. But I will leave a link down in the description below if you guys are interested in that. And that's everything that's going to be included in the brand new D100 dual channel dash camera from CIEVE. If you guys are interested in purchasing this product, be sure to hit down in the description below and check out all of the product links available to you. And do not forget, guys, that custom coupon code for 22% off of your purchase. It is Full Throttle. Gonna save you guys 22% off for all of my subscribers out there. Otherwise, guys, I hope you enjoyed today's quick unboxing of the D100 and an overview of some of the features. And if you guys want to see an in-depth specifications and product overview, be sure to head over to the Full Throttle YouTube page and check out that episode. I'll have a link down in the description below as well. Until next time, you guys know what to do. Keep her at full throttle.